In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic invoicing in Xero. This is a powerful feature that can save you considerable time and effort when managing recurring billing tasks. Let's dive right in, step by step. First off, you'll want to start by going to your Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for all the financials and business insights, and it's where we'll initiate the automatic invoicing process. Once you're on the dashboard, look to your menu options and click on Sales. This section handles everything related to your sales transactions, making it the ideal place to manage invoices. Next, navigate to the Invoices tab. This area displays your list of invoices, both sent and pending, giving you a comprehensive look at your current billing status. To demonstrate setting up automatic invoicing, simply select one of your existing invoices. In our case, we'll use invoice number INVAL V0026 as an example. Having selected the invoice, you'll see the detailed page for that specific transaction. Here, you'll notice a selection of options, but what you'll want to do is click on the three-dot menu icon located usually to the top right. This action will bring up additional options associated with that invoice. Choose Repeat. Upon clicking Repeat, you'll be directed to a page allowing you to configure how frequently you want this invoice to be repeated. So type how often you'd like this transaction to be repeated, such as weekly, monthly, etc. It's essential to select an interval that aligns with the nature of your service or product delivery. Additionally, input the due date. Setting an accurate due date is crucial to ensure timely payments and maintain good client relationships. As you continue through the page, you'll also be prompted to input an email address. This is an important step as it specifies where and to whom the invoice will be sent once it's automatically generated. After filling in these details, ensure everything looks good and click on the Save button to lock in these settings. After saving, take a moment to review the page. Here you can double check all your inputs to make sure they align with your business practices. Finally, once everything is set, click Done to confirm and complete the setup process. You'll be redirected to the Repeating Transactions page where you can view all your setup automatic invoices, giving you peace of mind that your billing process is now streamlined. And there you have it. You've set up automatic invoicing in Xero. This will not only save you precious time, but also reduce billing errors and improve cash flow visibility. Don't hesitate to revisit these settings if your needs change, and feel free to explore Xero's other features for even more efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing!